Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Dominick in New York on the brand new Ranger RCI 99N4. Dominick, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Per your instructions, we unlocked the clarifier, did the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrade, as well as our tune and alignment. We're going to start with our power all the way down, 250 watt slug. We'll get you sitting about 25 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. We'll roll it all the way up. 125, I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, just about 190, 195. Oh, let me try that again. Hello, didn't have the mic gain up. 200. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. A touch over 500. We'll flip you over here to sideband. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Audio, audio, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2. And we can talk about 450 all day long. Alright, Dominick, it's ready to go, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscvsales.com. Boom, boom.